Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel JL Beauty, where I discuss all things beauty. And today I am very excited. I am going to be doing an unboxing of all my Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals that this online shopping addict could not resist. There were so many good deals this year and I was so excited to film this video, but unfortunately the packages did not come out all the same time, so I was getting them one by one and I just could not wait. I did kind of open some of the packaging so I don't have to like sit here and like wrestle with it while I'm filming, but I just figured we'd just jump right into it right away, and then I'm just gonna include how much everything cost originally and how much I purchased it for. So we're gonna start off with, I ordered this from Laura Lee Los Angeles, the Nudie Patootie palette. It does come in a huge unit carton like this, and it came with a free liquid lipstick of choice. So that was what persuaded me to purchase this palette. Originally, I did not want to buy it. People were having issues with holding it up and the pans falling out. The like glitter pans weren't pressed hard enough or something like that. So people were having issues with it and they were not happy with their purchase. I'm hoping they have that issue resolved by now. And so you can see this palette is massive. I'm going to compare it to her original Cat's Pajamas palette. This is huge. The pans, I believe, are about the same size. Hang on. I'm actually nervous that this thing's gonna like fall out because these like glitter ones weren't pressed hard enough. I'm leaving the plastic on for now, but it's so pretty. I love this pink color here. These are like my colors. That's why I wanted to buy it, but then saw everyone having issues and I was like, maybe I'll just wait. But yeah, I want to look and see how the pan sizes compare. Oh yeah, they're for sure. Okay, this is, how do people do this? Same size. Okay, before it shuts again. There we go. See, you saw it. Pause the video if you didn't. So I was really pumped about that, and then I'm gonna swatch the liquid lipstick that it came with as well. What shade did I? Oh wait, I got the shade Topless. So this is what it looks like. And then, oh, that's pretty. It's a little bit pinkier than I thought it would be, but still really pretty. I thought it would be a little bit more nude, but I'm definitely not disappointed. And then it comes with this little, oh, this is for the Sleigh Bell collection, so that was just to get me to probably try to buy that. Okay, this is the Nudie Patootie little card it comes with. It says all the shade names. Okay, moving on. So I really wanted to purchase the Key Australia Jaclyn Hill collection, but unfortunately it was not part of their Black Friday deal, and I figured that wouldn't really be fair to the video for me to not. So I did order 2 pairs of sunglasses. They were buy one, get one free. So I couldn't really resist that, but the other thing I couldn't resist was I purchased this little chain that is part of the Jaclyn Hill collection. So this was not part of the Black Friday deal, but you can use this chain as a necklace or as like a sunglasses thing, and I was like, I have to buy it. It was only $12, so I didn't feel bad. So the sunglasses come with little pouches that you can carry them in for traveling. That's super nice. And then I did get 2 shades, so I'm just gonna try them on, which is really scary because ordering sunglasses online is like, you have like, obviously they look good on the models and stuff, but I have the tiniest face, so most sunglasses look giant on me, so I'm a little nervous. So this is the style. What does it say? Okay, this is the style Vivienne in rose gold. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Those are a little large for my face. I'm never gonna wear those. I kind of hate them. That's really disappointing. I'm actually sad. Alright, well maybe I can find someone with a larger, more normal size face that those don't look bad on. I mean, Okay, and then this is the style Cherry Bomb, I believe. I better just double check so I don't tell you the wrong. Cherry Bomb in the shade gold/silver/brown. Okay, those are better. Still massive, but definitely better than the first ones. Okay. Well, let me know if you want a pair of Vivienne style sunglasses from QUAY Australia. So I'm never gonna wear. Okay, next I ordered a play box from Sephora, which let me tell you, Sephora had the worst Black Friday/Cyber Monday deals I've seen in my life. They had basically nothing for sale. Like, I actually don't know if they had anything. But these play boxes by Sephora were only $10. I honestly don't know how much they normally are, but I was like, okay, well that's kind of hard to pass up because you get a lot of stuff for $10. And it comes in this cute little bag. It says Back to Beauty School on it with cute little brushes. And it looks like we've got oh, this is shampoo and conditioner by, is it Amica? I have no clue how to say that. I got a, hydrating lip plumper. Clear gloss. Should I put that on right now? I kind of want to. Sometimes lip plumpers kind of like hurt, so I'm kind of nervous. Oh, cute. That's so cute. We're just gonna see. It smells really good. Okay, anyway. So yeah, there's that. Ooh, what's this? This is Dry Texture Spray by Moroccan Oil. My lips are tingling now. Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. That looks nice. I'm excited to try this. Oh, Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Thank goodness for this because I'm like out of mine. I've been like scraping the bottom of the tube. And then I got a Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream Lipstick in the shade C2. Oh my gosh, my lips are tingling. Oh my gosh. I have no clue. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a, let's swatch this. It actually looks super similar to, my mom would love this. My lips, oh my gosh. So Topless is this top one, and then the Makeup Forever one is the bottom one there. So that's that. And finally, last but not least, is the Black Friday deal that I was so excited for. I ordered a Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. I ordered the cheapest one because I'm poor. But it comes with a little pop socket, which is cute. I love that. I got 4 lipsticks, and I did get a Skin Frost highlighter. I will say I was the most excited for this Black Friday deal, and I was also the most disappointed. I hate to say this, but I feel like because I ordered the cheapest one, I got like colors that they sell the least. Like, I don't know. I got one liquid lipstick that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I got Can't Relate. I am pumped to use this. Like, I'm gonna swatch it. It's like the prettiest nude lip I think I've ever seen. So pretty. But I got a liquid lip in the shade I'm Royalty, which is purple as hell. I'm gonna swatch it. I'm just sad because I love his liquid lipsticks and I'm like not gonna be able to use this. Oh, Lord have mercy. I could maybe use it as like an eyeshadow someday or something, but I just don't see myself ever wearing a purple lip. She's purple. And I got another liquid lip in the shade Flamethrower. Like, I just want to see what people who got the more expensive ones, what they got. Because, I don't know. I'm like, is it because I ordered the cheapest one that I got, like, colors no one uses? I wonder if I can mix it. It's not like bright orange, so I wonder if I can mix it with a different one and make it like maybe a reddish terracotta-y shade. I'm running out of, it's pretty orange. Pretty orange there. And then I got Ice Cream Boulevard, which is, this is not a liquid lip. It is a lip ammunition. Wow. I'm using an eyebrow scissors to open these right now. Oh, it's a bullet! Cute! Ammunition, I get it. I never knew it was like that. So this is like Barbie pink. Let's give this one a swatch. Oh, that's actually really pretty on pretty much anyone but me, who is the palest person alive. That's so pretty. I don't think that I would probably wear that, but I could probably find someone who could. And then, where my disappointment roots from is the Skin Frost highlighter. Alright, first of all, I got the shade, I have no clue what shade this is, Mint Condition, okay? And I opened it, and I thought that it was like covered in sheetrock from like the factory or something. Like, can you see those little silver everywhere? No, it's not sheetrock. Do you want to know what it is? I'll show you what it is. I can't open it, so we're struggling. Shattered in a million pieces. First of all, it's green, so I probably would never wear it. I'm not gonna wear a green highlighter unless it's, but I could probably wear it as like an eyeshadow or something. Like, I could find a use for it, but it's shattered. I can't like even hold it up to show the camera because I'm just gonna spill it all over. So yeah, I was really disappointed with that, and I know that's no one's fault. Like, it's just like, that was just a really, really crappy fluke thing to happen to me, of course. And I did email them about it, and I haven't heard back yet. And I just like, I know that they have a million like inquiries from thousands of mystery boxes being shipped out. But yeah, I feel like I was just disappointed because I'm like, I could have probably used that for something, and it's like shattered, which I could still try to use it, but it's just like, it's such a mess. Like, I don't really want to try to like salvage it. But like, as far as like the colors I got, like, I'll probably never use the purple, and I'll probably never use the orange. I really want to try to find a way to use that pink lip. That's so pretty. And this Can't Relate nude, so pretty. And then I'll probably give someone the pop socket, or I don't know if I'll use it, but yeah, I was super excited for it, and I just feel like all my excitement just led to a huge disappointment. And I definitely don't think that because I ordered the cheapest one, mine came shattered. Like, that was just a terrible fluke thing. I just wonder if because I ordered the cheapest one, I got purple and orange, which are like two not super common lip colors. I'm super grateful that I got one nude. Thank the Lord above. But like, as far as like, was it worth it? When I know for sure I'll use one liquid lip and maybe that pink, I would say no. I think his liquid lips usually retail for $18, but the box itself was $30, and I know I'll use that liquid lip and maybe one, so I don't think it was really worth it, which is super disappointing because I was so excited for it. But yeah, that is my holiday unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys like what I'm putting out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a good holiday with your family. Thank you. Bye-bye.